All right, we are starting chemical quantities. So we're going to be doing lots of calculations. Okay? We have the mole. And what's important about the mole is that 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, no matter what. It's a lot like 12 items equals 1 dozen, no matter what the objects are. So, particles. These are different types of particles that we can have. Atoms, molecules, or formula units. And what you have depends on what your formula is. Okay? If it's just an element, like aluminum or iron, you would have atoms. If it was a molecular compound, like H2O, CO2, any compound with only nonmetals is a molecule. And ionic compounds are formula units. So, NaCl would be a formula unit. CuSO4 would be a formula unit. Remember how to recognize ionic compounds. Metal plus, nonmetal, or polyatomic ion. Now, we're going to use that fact, that Avogadro's number, to do conversions. We can convert from particles to moles or from moles to particles. Because 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, whether that 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is in the bottom of a fraction or in the top of a fraction. And you're going to have to make a little correction here to the notes because I couldn't type an exponent within the fraction. So wherever it says 6.02 times 10, that exponent should be 23. But, like always, the unit given has to go on the bottom because we're going to be able to cancel those units. The unit you want goes on top, so it's what you have left. If the word's moles, it gets 1. If the word's atoms, molecules, or formula units, it gets 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So, given 1.2 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, the atom goes in the bottom. We want moles, so moles has to go in the top. Moles get 1, atoms get 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Now, how you type that into a calculator is 1.2, then you want to hit the key that says EE, and then 23, divided by 6.02, that key that says E, 23, and then your equals. Okay? A Casio is going to have an EXP button. A Texas Instruments calculator is going to have an EE button. Okay? But it is much better. That button, that is a button that tells the calculator you're in scientific notation. Now we can do it the other way around. The unit we're given goes on the bottom. The unit we're looking for goes on the top. So that way the unit we were given can cancel. So look here how many atoms are in 2.41 moles. So we have moles on the bottom, so they cancel. We want atoms, so atom has to be on the top. 6.02 times 10 to the 20th with atoms, and 1 goes with moles. And we'll do practice problems in class.